Hi and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today we have a new face painting tutorial with Debbie, and for today she is inspired by the movie The Mask with Jim Carrey. So for this tutorial she did not create one costume but actually three, all typical for the movie of course. And if you want to see how she created this, please keep watching because we will show you step by step in the coming video. For the base of the mask we need a light green face paint, and Debbie has chosen to create the base with Essential Light Green by Diamond Effects. And once that entire face is green, we do need a few shadows and shapes to create the mask. So all of these shadows are put on the skin with powders, with eyeshadow powders and star blends. So she uses the green star blend by Meron to put the basic shadow on there and a darker green eyeshadow to create a bit of depth in those shadows. So there is a shadow on the forehead, the eyes, under the cheekbone. And once all of the green is on there, we continue to black. So this is the black by Diamond Effects. It is a water-based face paint, and Debbie blends this into the green to create a nice transition from the black to the green. Now all of the shadows are on the skin. We do need a few highlights as well. So Debbie is putting these on the skin using a face paint by Superstar. This is just the white. It is color number 021. And with that she is putting a highlight with all of those shadows to create a bit more depth in this face paint. Now all of the shadows and highlights are on the skin. It is time for the mouth. So the same white is used on the mouth to create the shape. And the Essential Black by Diamond Effects is used for the teeth, and the same powders to create the mouth with a few highlights around that mouth. And with that, the face part of this tutorial is done. So now Debbie continues to the costumes, and I can imagine that if you would go to a party as the mask, you would definitely just buy a costume. But here is a very quick overview of the creation of all of the costumes that Debbie did to create her tutorial for today. So there is the French costume, there is the samba costume, and there is the very typical yellow costume as well. And with all of that, the mask face paint tutorial by Debbie for today is done. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel in the link below to stay tuned on all our videos. We have a new video every day till Halloween, so definitely stay tuned.